So what are the features that come standard in all our recipe or meal plan ebook formats? Well, you can see up the top there's a little recipes download icon. That allows the user to download all recipes in a zip file. So it takes about a minute because it's creating 30 odd PDFs with your logo and brand color all over it, but then your clients can access all the recipes stored on their computer. Users can add all recipes to a shopping list. Clicking on the shopping trolley icon, they can open up that list. Now they can edit that list to delete foods that they've already got at home, or they can change the quantities. So it's a nice user-friendly format that's practical, allowing them to shop based on their needs. They can download it as a PDF, and that PDF comes categorized, branded with your logo and colors. To access the recipes, users just need to click on the image. Now from here, what they can do is actually customize that recipe further. So you can see the customize button. If, for example, they don't like blueberries, they can delete blueberries. They can also add their own ingredients. So if they wanted to add strawberries to their recipe, they could do that. Strawberries, amount, quantity, add, save. That updates the shopping list for the user as well. Now, if, for example, they made some changes and they want to reset that back to the original recipe, they can do that by just hitting the little reset button there, and it will go back and add the blueberries and get rid of the strawberries. So there's the blueberries back, and it adds the strawberries. They can change the amount of serves that the recipe has. So if, for example, they like this recipe and they're going to feed it to their family, they just increase the serve quantities. That updates the shopping list ingredients as well. They can print the recipe as a PDF by hitting the print button, and that will then download a version of that recipe for them to keep. At all times, they can just go back to the table of contents and they're good to go. If you'd like a 7-day trial to test these out for your clients, then click on the link below to join now. Thanks.